day one here at Smoky Mountains National Park. We're at Gatlinburg. Made a quick stop at a local McDonald's to grab some breakfast. What are you doing today, babe?
Hey, we're doing the Chimney Top trail today. Apparently it's hard with a lot of steep inclines, but hopefully we get to see a bear.
Yeah, that'll be fun, right?
Yeah, probably a snake or two.
Yeah, so yeah, it's about a 20-minute drive and it's 9:25 right now. So hope to be there by 10 and have some fun. See you guys. We're about 20 minutes in the trail. I don't know how good the audio quality is because it's kind of noisy because of water flowing here, but yeah, I'm on a ledge, like in the middle of a ledge, so the view is beautiful around here. This thing is relentless. I think we still have about an hour to go. Yeah. I'm not even sure if we're gonna make it at this point. That's my hat. You can see all the sweat in it. Losing a lot of fluids. Looks like someone's tired. How do you feel?
I'm so tired.
Do you think you're gonna make it to the top? You will? You're determined?
It's not too far from here.
It's not been easy, but we're almost there. We should make it soon enough.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We are back down and we're in the car. That was strenuous to say the least, but totally worth it. The view from the top is amazing. I don't even know if I got everything on my camera, but like it's totally worth it. It's not dangerous or anything. It's very steep at some points, like that it took us about 2 or maybe 3 hours, but we did stop quite a lot for like photo shoot and stuff like that. So yeah, what do you think?
It was amazing, but so tiring.
Yeah, she's still out of breath. Yeah, you should definitely check it out if you're at the Smoky Mountains. It's worth coming to, and I'd give it a big thumbs up. And it's time to head back.